Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we got the X-Mix and the Kraton out, and we are at a different location. It's going to be over there. And big shout out to Diamond Valley RC. I'll put his Instagram right here on the screen. But enough talking, let's get straight on it. Guys, check out the location. Clear day, not a single cloud in the sky, but it's going to be over there. Can't wait to see the jump. It's got like a whole racetrack. Oh, you heard that slap? Ah. Alright, so this is the new product that I'm working on. Some new bumper supports, not only for the rear, but also for the front. If you guys remember in my last video, the screws pulled out, but I made it a bit tight, so hopefully they will survive. Alex is going to be testing them today, so we are going to be continue back. Little front flip. I wonder if I could do a backflip off this. Oh, that was a good jump. That was a good jump right there. That was a cool one. Ooh. Ooh, that was a nice jump. That was a pretty good jump. Oh, that was a nice one. Yes, barely got that double. Ooh. Oh, that sounds cool with the dirt. Oh, so far the Kraton's taking it. So far all the 3D printed parts are taking it. The wing is taking it. Got some new batches. Ooh, it's a good break. Whoa, that was a good mistake. That was a long jump. It sounds cool. Yeah, it does, huh? Wait, you ready to start? Oh, no. Oh, it did a little trick. Wait, do it again. Alright, so we're going to do a layout. We're going to try to do a double, land, bust the U, and then send it off right there. Ready, Marty? Go. Bust the U. Oh, that was sketch. That was sketch. Suck. Dude. Oh, the dog. Hey, free exercise. Get it, get it, get it. Oh. Alright guys, I'm gonna test my front bumper support. So we're gonna go slow and then try to hit the front bumper in the wall, so you guys can see how the bumper absorbs. Oh, you see? And then now we have the black flavor and we got the black wing nut. So I'll put the link in my eBay down below so you guys could get one. Let's go. Sorry? Arma versus Traxxas. X-Max, which is Kraton 6S 8S power. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Kraton one. Kraton for the win. Shake and tell, guys. Go do the same thing as me. Chill. Again? No. No. Oh wait, only the nut fell. Big shout out to Diamond Valley RC. Hooked me up with the M4 nut. Just needed that nut. He hooked me up. So I'll put his IG. Make sure to go give him a follow. He does have another event coming up, a crawling event. So I'll put all the details down below so you guys can check it out. So huge shout out. Thank you so much. And then right now we are going to be doing a drag race. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully we win. Alright guys, so the GoPro's about to die, but we are going to be moving on to the X-Max. Right now we're about to do some drag races, so hopefully I can get some clips for you guys. But if not, oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh, did you see those front tires? Damn, I lost range though. Alright guys, so I only have 5% battery dude, but this thing took the first win. Hopefully we can pass by the hobby shop. But dude, my bumper supports are holding up really good. They're not posting on my page yet, but I am going to be posting them pretty soon so you guys can get a set, and it should fit straight on. So we are going to be doing a few more testing today, and hopefully it passes. Oh crap! Oh crap! That was carnage right there, dude. Alright. Oh, cleared it. Oh. Oh. Guys, we just hit low voltage a whole day out of fun with this beast. So far nothing broke besides that. Now it's coming off, but besides that, the crane held up great, my parts held up great, and I think this is gonna be the end. So catch you guys in the next video. Peace.